Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. It's amazing. It is amazing to be in the kitchen giving your favorite dishes. We give you a 30-minute recipe. You know what I mean? You have a lot of parents and father work very hard. Come home from school, come home from work, and have to deal with the kids. And when they come from school, you need to do something very quickly, easy, and simple. 30 minutes recipe. This is where Chef Ricardo fill the gap, guys. Corned beef and spaghetti. From start to finish, and from finish to start. So guys, enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel and big up the YouTube channel. Tell your fans and tell your friends, tell everybody, tell your neighbor, tell your sister, tell your uncle, tell your niece, and your niece will watch your video. So guys, we know that there's a lot of people work very hard, and you know me, when they come from work, sometimes stressed because the kids them, we fill the gap today. This is where we fill the gap. The gap has filled today. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to donate to the channel because we're coming out with a brand new studio. Get the books off a line. Chef Ricardo Cooking Show is an amazing show. A lot of people love the show, guys. A lot of people love the show. Stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. Watch the video. See you next time. Bye-bye. Lovely guys, welcome back today with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. I'm going to show you how you can make yourself some spaghetti and serve it with some corned beef. It doesn't come like minced beef, guys, to be honest. But anyway, right over here I have some water which I just put on. Roughly about 5 to 6 minutes now. So as you can see, the water start to bubble. Basically, the spaghetti water, I break it into 3. 1, 2, 3 pieces. As you can see. So I'm going to show you how you... To be honest, guys, spaghetti doesn't take too long to cook. But as you can see, that's the water and that's the spaghetti. So basically, spaghetti take roughly about 10 minutes, and as you can see how I make my spaghetti at home. So basically right there, that's the spaghetti water. I'm gonna pop some olive oil, roughly about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure you always have a lot of water inside. In the meantime, what we're gonna do, we're gonna simply cut up some tomato for the corned beef. So basically, cut up a tomato very small. In the meantime, the water getting hot for the spaghetti. So as you can see, move that bit. Lovely and nice. It's just a recipe very easy, you know what I mean, for the hot weather. Red pepper. I love cut up my stuff them like this, man. Really nice. As you can see, looking lovely and nice. Beautiful. As you can see, this is garlic. Everything. This is a yellow pepper. This is sweet peppers, which is I'm cutting up at the moment. Cut up everything. Very small. Lovely and nice. And this is some spring onion, which I'm gonna just put inside of it. You know what I mean? Spring onion is really good. White onion. Guys, don't use a knife like I'm using it, please. Nice and lovely. So all of these ingredients gonna be for your corned beef. So now that's finished. That's the veg. That's the water start to boil. Spaghetti already ready. So we're gonna pour it in like this. If you wanna put salt, you can put salt, but I'm not gonna put any salt in mine. Nice and lovely. So 10 minutes, 12 minutes, this is gonna be ready. So as I said, remember guys, this only takes probably about 12 minutes to cook. When the water boil up, put the spaghetti in. and just cook it for 12 minutes. So as on time it's feed it gets soft, that's it. All right. So basically, as I can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about with this lovely spaghetti. You can serve it with some corned beef. I'm gonna put a little bit of mixed herb inside of it. Mixed herb is good for when you're making spaghetti. It's really nice. So, as I can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about with it. Look at that. Beautiful! Really nice and sweet, guys. You're gonna love this one. Seriously. You guys gonna love this corned beef. Jamaican corned beef, #1 recipe. About, you know what I mean? I'm gonna... to be honest, calm down, Chef Ricardo. You guys gonna love this one. So as soon as the spaghetti cook, guys, you can serve it with some corned beef. We're gonna show you how to cook up the corned beef. Also, it's a full video of how to do this simple 30 minutes recipe at home. Corned beef and spaghetti goes really well. This is Chef Ricardo recipe, and nobody can say a film recipe. And me make this recipe, 30 minutes recipe for all of the people who work very hard, come home from work, stressed out, have a long day, didn't get the chance to stop up the pub and have a drink, but come home after deal with the kids. This is a 30 minutes recipe. So basically, as you can see, the spaghetti, it is cooking lovely and nice. Give it another 6 more minutes. Done and dusted. I don't need to tell anymore anything else. Give it 6 more minutes and it's gonna be finished. Enjoy that lovely recipe. Nice and lovely. So the spaghetti is finished now. All you need to do is just pour it off and serve it with the corned beef. Nice and lovely. So put this at the side. Nice and lovely. So this is my frying pan for my seasoning for the corned beef. Gonna pop roughly 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Sorry. That not gonna take any time to start fry, guys. It's already on the stove. So let's pop in the season. Sweet peppers, spring onion, garlic. All kind of season. Your favorite season, guys. You're gonna love this one. Lovely and nice. Then pop a little bit of coarse pepper. Pinch of mixed herb. Mixed herb is good for your cooking, guys, to be honest. You need to try that one at home. Very, very handy. Very, very good. Little bit of beef season. And also little bit of paprika. Just a little pinch. Just pour it from a bag. Look at that. Beautiful, nice, and really wonderful. As you can see. Nice and lovely. So as you can see, that's the season we should fry up for the corned beef. Nice and lovely. 30 minutes cooking at home from Chef Ricardo. I am the first chef coming out with this kind of recipe for 2016. So as you can see, that's all the season for the corned beef. There's a video before gonna put up and to show you how to remove the fat from the corned beef. Alright? So now we're gonna pour that lovely corned beef inside of it. Just like that. Nice and lovely. And what I want to simply say to you, I'm using olive oil. Olive oil is really good for you. Nice and lovely. We're going to put some sweet corn inside of it now. Nice. So, as you can see, we're going to put in this lovely sweet corn. Frozen sweet corn, guys. Two things you can wash it off, or you can put it in the same way. It's don't make any difference. Then ketchup. I love my ketchup when I'm cooking my corned beef. A lot of people say, oh, I want to chef that. I cook corned beef with ketchup. You need flavors to your food, guys. You need flavors to your dishes. You have to add ingredients. Alright? So, as you can see, this is how Chef Ricardo do his one. Nice and lovely. So we're gonna serve this one with some spaghetti. We already show you how to cook the spaghetti. 12-15 minutes, done and dusted. Nice and lovely. So as I can see, 3 more minutes and it's gonna be ready, all right? Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. Nice and lovely. So now this is finished and I'm gonna share it out, guys. Cause corned beef and the sweet corn doesn't take too long and I have it roughly about 6 minutes now. So this is finished. We're gonna share it out. Look at that, beautiful and nice. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel because Chef Ricardo Cooking 30 Minutes channel recipe. I know you will love it. So enjoy it and subscribe to the channel. Donate, guys. We need money to support the channel and to get the new cooking studio which we are working on. So help us and we will reach where we want to reach. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Look at that, guys. It's just so fantastic. Really nice and looking lovely. Looking so lovely. Lovely, lovely. Corned beef and spaghetti recipe. 30 minutes recipe for the people who work very hard. To the fans who work 9 to 5. Come home after deal with the kids them. Because the kids them, you know what I mean, come from school, them have to cook dinner. For the kids them, this is where Chef Ricardo come in and fill those gap. 30 minutes recipe, meantime the kids reading their book at home. Thank you so much, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. We got a lot more recipe coming up for you guys. Just look after yourself and have a lovely, lovely time. Enjoy the recipe. See you next time. Bye-bye.